Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, respected examiners and my advisor. I'm Salsabila Effendi with the student ID 220182334. So today I would like to present my seminar proposal entitled ELF College Students Perception and Listening Motivation on Using Children's Poetry Archive website for autonomous listening activity at English Department UNP. Listening is one of the most important skill in learning English. However, for many EF students, listening is also the most difficult skill. Students often face problems such as fast speech, unfamiliar accent, limited vocabulary, and difficulty identifying main idea. In addition, classroom listening time is limited. Because of this limitation, a student needs to practice listen independently outside the classroom. This is known as the autonomous listening. Nowadays, technology provides many authentic listening resources. One of them is Children Poetry Archive website, which is provide the authentic poetry record, native speaker pronunciation, exposure to rhythm, stress, and intonation. Poetry recordings are unique because they emphasize some pattern and emotional expression. However, although this website has been used as supplementary material, student perception and listening motivation toward this platform have not been clearly investigated. Therefore, the study aims to examine students' perception and listening motivation when using the Sheridan Perky archive for autonomous listening. Problem identification and limitation. Based on the background, several problems can be identified. First, students still lack consist autonomous listening practice. Second, not all digital listening resources are motivating. Third, limited research focus especially on poetry-based listening platform. Four, student listening motivation when using these websites remains unclear. This study is limited to EF college student at English Department UNP, focus only on perception and listening motivation. It doesn't mean listening proficiency of provide. The next one is research questions. In this study is guided by two research questions. The first one is what are EF college student perception of using the Child and Perky archive website for autonomous listening, and the second one is what are the student level of listening motivation with engines with the website. The next one is research objective. Based on the two research question, the objective are the first one is to describe student perception of using the Child and Perky archive website for autonomous listening, and the second one is to identify student level of listening motivation, both intrinsic and extrinsic. And the next one is significance. So in theoretical, the study contribute to research and autonomous listening and the use of digital poetry in ALT and the application of TAM and SADT in EF context. For practically, it helps students engage more in independent listening, and it provides lecture with alternative authentic listening resources, and it serves as a reference for future research. And the next one is grand theory. So in this study, based on two main theory, the first one is technology accepted model or TAM. It explains that user accepted of technology depends on perceived ease of use and perceived usefulness. The second one is self-definition theory (SDT) by Ryan and Deci. This theory explains motivation into intrinsic motivation, which one come from internal enjoyment, and the second one is extrinsic motivation, which come from external goal or requirement. These two theories have expanded student perception and motivation toward the website. And the next one is uh, supporting theory. The first one is listening as primary language input by Federico, 2025. 20 and 15, authentic listening material improve motivation by Gilmore, 20 and 7. And the next one is poetry enhance awareness of rhythm and intonation, Lazar in 1993. And the last one is learner autonomy theory, Besson and 2011. The next one is variable of the study. First, the study has two main variable. The first one is student perception, which includes the perceived ease of use, and the second one is perceived useful, and the last one is perceived enjoyment. And the second variable is the motivation, which include the intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. This is the conceptual framework that you can see. However, the study only focused on describing perception and motivation, not behavioral measure of proficiency improvement. And the next one is research method. The first one is research design. This study used as descriptive quantitative design, and for the population, student of English Department UNP who have completed basic listening, and for the sample is per sample. So, student who use Children Perky Archive for 3 until 4 weeks. And for the instrument, a like scale questionnaire with the 28 item like scale question using a 4 point scale like agree, strong agree, disagree, and strong disagree. And the next one is data technique of data collection. The procedure is first obtain permission from department and lecturer, and the second one is student conduct autonomous listening practice for 3 until 4 weeks, and the third one is the question is distributed via Google Form, and the last one is data are collected and prepared for analysis. And the next one is data analysis. The data will be analyzed using descriptive static with a coding response, entering into Excel or SPSS, and calculating with frequency, percent, and mean. And the next one is standard definitions. And mean score will be categorized into 4 level. The first one is strong agree, strongly agree, agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. The finding will describe student perception level and listening motivation levels. So I think that's all for me. In conclusion, the study aims to describe how students perceive and feel motivated when using the Children Poetry Archive website for autonomous listening activity. And hopefully, the finding can contribute to the development of authentic digital listening resources in EAF higher education. Thank you very much. Thank you for attention. And welcome to any suggestion or question. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.